Let's head to the courts now, where national basketball coach Rick Turner is making an appeal to corporate Jamaica to help the Jamaica Basketball Association, JABA, get aspects of the National Indoor Sports Centre up to FIBA requirements. The venue did not meet requirements stipulated by the world governing body ahead of Jamaica's recent FIBA Americas World Cup qualifiers against Puerto Rico. As a result, what should have been a home game for Jamaica on November 28 against Puerto Rico was eventually played in that country's capital, San Juan. However, Jamaica has 2 more qualifying games set for the National Indoor Sports Centre next February and March.
2 games in Kingston in front of our hometown fans. We're working on that. We need the support of the corporate community, to get involved with us. We need to get the facilities up to date and compliant with FIBA regulations. And if that's the case, then we're able to play in front of our hometown fans.
Meantime, JABA President Paulton Gordon says efforts are being made to get the venue ready in time for those upcoming matches.
The indoor center in itself is suitable to host the games in February, March, with some minor adjustments. The biggest challenge we have now is to ensure that we can find the requisite scoreboards with all the requirements from FIBA. And also the hoops, we'll have to upgrade in terms of hoops to get that done. So we're still working. We are hoping that we'll be able to play the games on February 26th and March 1st against Bahamas and Canada. That will be huge for basketball in Jamaica, and we are looking forward to it.
Jamaica won both games against Puerto Rico to share the lead in Group B with Canada on 4 points each in FIBA World Cup qualifying.